Wellington Place is well connected for cyclists, surrounded by many cycle routes including the Bradford-Leeds Cycle Superhighway and the Canal Towpath. What's more, we offer great on-site facilities to support your journey to and from Wellington Place. Once you've arrived at Wellington Place, park your bike in one of our dedicated parking areas. Most of the buildings at Wellington Place have basement bike parking, which can be accessed via the car park entrance. Use your company pass or key card to open the door. Dismount your bike and walk down the basement ramp to the cycle parking area. Be mindful of other car park users when in the basement car park. Park your bike and lock this securely. Outdoor bike parking, including cycle pods and Sheffield stands, are also available to use across site. Covered bike parking is located behind 1 Wellington Place, and Sheffield stands are located between 3 and 10 Wellington Place and 5 and 6 Wellington Place. Once you arrive, simply park your bike and securely lock it. Forgotten your lock? No problem. If you work at Wellington Place, you can hire a D-lock for free, subject to availability. Simply call the security office on 07841 969 328. If your bike is in need of a bit of TLC, you can use one of our bike repair stands. There is an outdoor repair stand located in the bike storage area behind 1 Wellington Place for all to use, with extra stations for occupiers to use in the basements of 3, 5 and 6 Wellington Place. We also run regular free bike servicing for all occupiers. Visit our website for more information and to check upcoming dates. Free app bike hire is available to all Wellington Place occupiers, handy for if you're wanting to try out a new commute or enjoy a lunchtime bike ride down the canal. There are 7 bikes, including an electric bike, located in the bike storage area behind 1 Wellington Place. Step-by-step instructions on how to use the app bikes can be found on the posters displayed in the bike storage area, on the app bikes themselves, or on our website. If you work at Wellington Place, you can borrow a helmet for free. Each company has been allocated 2 helmets. Please contact your office manager or company reception to hire. For the latest information and support for your cycling journey to and from Wellington Place, join our Facebook bicycle user group, Wellington Place Cyclists. If you have any questions on the bike facilities located at Wellington Place, please do not hesitate to get in touch with our travel team. We would be more than happy to help.